my framework, which I call TAME, stands for Technological Approach to Mind Everywhere. And the most important part of this thing is that I will argue that the philosophy actually matters. It drives new discoveries. I'm going to show you some things that we've done that are directly emerging from a specific way we think about these things that otherwise was not found. I'm going to talk about goal-directedness as a kind of invariant for recognizing, building, and communicating, or in some cases controlling, agents in unconventional embodiments. And specifically, we'll talk about this cognitive boundary model and some other things, like polycomputing. I'm going to use heavily the example of anatomical control as the kind of collective intelligence that navigates a problem space. That problem space is anatomical morphospace. And I'm going to talk about how electrical networks are the kind of ancient evolutionary medium, an ancestor of what happens in the brain that allows, that functions as a kind of cognitive glue to bind individual cells to intelligent collective behavior. And this has many implications for biomedicine and so on. And at the end, we'll talk about synthetic bioengineering and the huge option space of new bodies and new minds. And so we'll talk about that. Okay. So the first thing that I want to talk about is just some